Hey guys, it's Max with GTN Official here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Amcrest GO 4K Action Camera. So what's special about this camera is that it can frequently be found for under $50, and it is 4K 60 FPS, and it's even waterproof up to nearly 100 feet. So I was very curious to see how it performs, and we're going to get into the unboxing right now. So moving all the accessories aside, let's start by taking a look at the camera itself. Alright, so first I'm going to take off this plastic wrap on the front. And the first thing I'm going to note actually is that this casing is very similar to an actual GoPro. I have a Hero 5 Black, and the mounting system is incredibly similar with the two prongs here. But anyways, let's take off the case and get into it. Alright, so with a little help from the instruction manual, I was able to get the case unlocked. And now we are going to take this out and see what it's like. So the very first thing I'm noticing here is that the design feels very nice. This camera is incredibly light. My GoPro Hero 5 that's probably a bit smaller than this weighs at least twice as much. So we're going to have to see how it performs. So before we look into the camera software, let's start by taking a look at the camera's hardware. So as you can see here on top, there is an OK button, which is used to start recording. Flipping it around to the side, we have directional buttons, which are used for the menus inside, and one of them has a Wi-Fi symbol on it, so we're going to have to look into that. And on the side, we have a micro USB cable for charging, a micro SD card slot for storage, and a mini HDMI out for TV output. Coming around to the back of the camera, we have the camera itself and the power/mode button. The way we are going to power this thing on for the first time. So the power button is located right here. So if I just hold that down, it makes a little sound and it is now on. Alright, so I'm gonna pop an SD card into this camera. There it goes, and let's power it back on. Okay, so we are in. Oh, let me take care of this and I'll be right back. Alright, so that issue is now taken care of and the SD card has been successfully formatted. So here we go, here's the camera. So let's take a tour of what it can do and go through the menus. So the first thing I did notice that this is not a touchscreen. The screen is hollow and it is controlled using these buttons here. It also does go black after a few seconds. I believe it's just sleep mode because it goes right back on when you click it. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to notice is that it is recording in 4K 60 FPS right now. Let's look at all the recording options that it has. Alright, so now we're going to access settings. Holding OK is how to get to settings. So we're going to scroll down to settings, click OK, and resolution. So we have 4K 60 and 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p at 120, I'm assuming that is for slow-mo, 60 and 30, 720p at 240, again for slow-mo most likely, 120, 60, and 30. So, of course, we're going to start off recording in 4K 60 FPS. Real quick, I actually noticed that there's also this video quality setting, so of course we're going to want to set that to the highest possible, just to see what this camera is capable of, so that is now on high. Alright, so now I'm going to go take this outside and get recording. So guys, as you can see, the GoPro fares noticeably better, especially in low light videos. However, considering the price difference, the Amcrest GO does pretty well. Right now, you can pick up a great condition used GoPro Hero 2018 or Hero 5 Black for around $100, while the Amcrest GO can be had for under $50. At that price point, the Amcrest GO seems pretty hard to beat. but feel free to let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is it worth the extra money for the GoPro? Vote using the poll above. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this review. I want to give a huge thanks to Amcrest for sending me this camera to test out, and to you guys for watching the video. With that said, this is GTN Official, signing off.